So fresh, so new. Just realized I don't have the volume on.
Okay, I'm testing my cameras because I have 3 different kinds. The camera that's built into the laptop is the one I'm using right now. Then I'll be using... Really? You're not gonna... I have to clean my workspace again, or still work on it. This one, which is the one I use for my YouTube channel the most. And then I have the one that plugs in here as well. And then I have my video camera. I'm sad. I was sad this morning between a relative not feeling well and in the hospital. My daughter does not want me to give her hugs and kisses goodbye in front of her school anymore. So now I have to do high fives. Apparently it's embarrassing her. Ooh, every parent's worst thing is when the kids start saying you embarrass them. And of course, she's my only child, so I definitely baby her and I have to stop. Now I'm babying my animals. I've got to fix that. But she's so cute and I love her. But apparently mommy's being too much. Yeah, for being too much. I know, they call it she was like, Mom, you're being embarrassing. And I'm like, but I love you and I want to hug and kiss you and tell you I love you. And she was like, stop. And I'm like, no, what about high fives? So I told her today was the last day for the hug and kiss. Because I was like, I can't just give it up without a warning, kid. Because she told me that this morning and I was so sad. It hurts you when they grow up a little. But at the same time, they're growing up. It's a very complicated emotion for parents. I was the same way when I was a teenager, though. I don't want to deal with anyone or talk to anyone, but I was also... I don't know. I was weird. Still am, so... But I talk to people, want to spend time with them. I hope you all are having a great day. Today, right now, is 2/24/2022. I should probably mark that on my calendar. It is 24. Oh goodness, I completely missed doing this. I am marking the calendar. I'm marking this because I forgot to do this. In case I forget today. And the time is 11:45 p.m. It literally turned 45 when I was about to tell you the time. This is an old calendar that I decorated and I didn't want to get rid of it because it has dogs on it. This one might stay eventually somewhere. I'll probably keep it in a keepsake because I love sloths. I have been doing my YouTube and I'm going to be reading up on my podcast stuff. I like to read it before I say it online and try to give you facts and my opinion so that way I'm not confusing, because it's I want to let you know the facts and then my opinion from these facts. You can form your own, that is perfectly fine. This is just my opinion. Or this is what I see from the facts. Oh, we are heading to school to pick Jade up from school. But I'm also watching Louder and Prouder. No, it's the Proud Family Louder and Prouder. Also carrying a heavy backpack. My book. My camera's coming with me. Now I'm hitting the restroom, which y'all are not seeing. Now I'm turning
the sink and getting ready to go to school. Gonna spray my hair just a little. And I'm probably going to be getting yelled at in about 5 minutes or less. Okay. My phone. That's what I need to grab. Feet. You get to see my feet. Phone. I am tired. There's a couple things you can do in the car. So, we're going to record that. You would think I have enough stuff, but I don't. Ooh. Let's just hope it's not snowing. Now we're going up the staircase into the living room. Now you open up the floor. Staircase. Oh no, family. Probably shoes.
She was saying, this is perfect. I got you on.
Shoes. We got our shoes. My cane. Now we're in the car. Yep. Boy, my grandmother says she's been picking on me on purpose lately, and it's about ready to have me go ballistic. No one likes to be picked on all the time. And if I don't do things the way she wants it, when she wants it, she gets so mad. One day I would love to move out on my own into a nice house, but my brother doesn't even put away his own stuff, and yet she treats me, yeah, that goes, she treats me like, oh, you're such a bad person because you don't do it when I want it. And then she starts saying, oh, you're so frustrating. Yeah, you're frustrated because it's not when you want it. I mean, who acts like that? I was busy trying to do my YouTube channel, which I would love to make my job. Please, someone watch me. I need money because then I can... What am I doing? I'm just trying to remember what I'm doing now, but I'm so frustrated. She comes down here and starts screaming at me. She doesn't treat me like an adult at all. And it just makes me so annoyed. It's like, listen, I'm trying to start my own business. Not as easy as you would think. I'm trying to upload YouTube, TikToks, podcasts, all before 2 o'clock. By 2:45. And yet, she wants to scream and shout and be a... And oh, if you don't do it right now. Oh, do it right now. Do it right now. Like, really? I love you. Thank you for providing for me. But you keep arguing with me. I moved out of my dad's house for this. I'm about to move out of here for it. Kind of annoying. Okay, I need 3 hangers. 1, 2, 3. Okay, I'll come back in here for that. My fidgets. Okay, we are going to put this stuff away. My grandmother has no patience for anything at all. And she doesn't even bother asking if I was busy before just running down here. Okay. So I'll have to take it back to my workspace and plug it in, I guess. I have a lot of things to laminate. A whole lot of things to laminate. All of these for my small business, along with all my business cards. Along with all of these. And these. Tons of lamination stuff to get done. Now we are heading to school. So tired. Oh, it's raining, isn't it? Okay, I think I'm freaking everyone in the car with me out. I better put you away for now. Bye. Having trouble walking. I'm in a lot of pain and she's getting on my nerves. I am testing something. Test, test, test. 1 2 1 2 test, test, test. 1 2.